What's going on? It's your boy Coach. This is a kind of a different video. Just something to kind of go into behind the scenes of how, coming up with some of these things I'm doing. What's the purpose of it? Why I'm doing it? Just things like that. I'm gonna just do, like I said, a short little video here, or it might be longer than I anticipate. But yeah, just kind of go through some of the kind of tactics that's I'm kind of coming up with, or just reasons to do it. Overall, I'm a big fan of nutrition and fitness. I've been doing it for about 8 years, following it on on the internet, and also applying in my own life. And I've had the ups and downs. I like to think over just the last few years, I've not only gotten better at it, but hopefully able to inspire and bring positive change in a society where we're kind of maybe a little more overweight, or where weight management is an issue. So basically, I'm coming off of about a 4 month calorie deficit. I actually vlogged two series, and I'm hopefully going to release those in the future. The first one is a 90-day kind of day by day, kind of walking through not just the physiology behind weight loss, but also the psychology. It's how to kind of change and adapt to a lifestyle that actually does require behavior modifications, things like that. So looking forward to doing that series. It's gonna something I'm gonna edit. The editing is gonna be overwhelming, so I got to really learn that until I can really publish that. And then the next series is a 6 week, just a sort of a fast change in body. So say a transformation. If you're looking to cut a significant amount of weight, say for a picture or whatever, an event, I kind of walk through the weeks of that and how to do it and what you'll most likely experience, or I do anyway. So that's another series I'm going to work on. And like I said, I got the footage. I just need to spend a lot of time editing. So that's something I'm really learning, is capturing this is very difficult, and it's very time consuming, and I'm just trying to get better at it. So basically, like I said, coming off of a 4 month calorie deficit. So something that this journey does, these food challenges, I'm doing 2 per week. It allows me to not only get a little bit of a break from so much meal prep and things like that, but just to kind of come back to, say, maintenance calories, or even a little bit of a surplus. I don't expect my body composition or physique to change very much over the next 3 months. At the same time, I may put on a little bit of body fat, which is fine, because I'm also hoping to bring my muscle back up. So long-term calorie deficits can be detrimental in muscle loss, and I overall want not just the muscle for performance, but also, for having a higher metabolic rate so I can eat more food, things like that on a daily basis. But yeah, let's see. So I think competitive eating is kind of a fun way to do it. I've always just kind of enjoyed eating my food a little bit faster and a little bit more than, say, the average person. And so it was something that, after following the professionals and the people who are very gifted at this, it's something that I just thought, hey, why not give it a shot, see if I can improve in my own area. I do find it fun. It's just almost similar to training at the gym. Training in terms of building a better physique or putting on muscle or strength. It's the same concept. It takes a lot of preparation, practice, effort, all those things. So yeah, I mean, really, for me, this is a very calculated path in a sense, because, like I said, I do track my nutrition for the most part the best I can. I don't believe in everybody having to do, say, these sort of, or I'm curious to what the pros do in terms of how they prepare. Maybe they fast, things like that. I'll hear little tips here and there, but I've never really seen where it's a real detailed layout and all of the tricks. So these are some of the things as I go through each week. Maybe I'll cover, how I approach, say, a specific challenge, or designed a challenge, or, what was going through my mind when I was, getting it all down. So, yeah, like I said, it's a kind of calculated path for me. I'm more of a numbers guy. I enjoy math. And at the end of the day, really, health and nutrition, it's kind of a numbers game. And, if you want to get to a certain weight, a certain physique, you'll see a lot of quantified figures in that, and calories and macros and things like that, the scale, etc. So tons of tools. And actually, that's what I'd like to go over next, is the 5 tools that I use, probably most important tools, to prevent gaining excessive body fat as I'm eating, these thousands and thousands of calories, and doing that a couple times a week. So let me get started with that.